names are Perry Sisiao. I work at Ego Nursing Home as a nurse. I work at MCH. In MCH, we deal with ANC, family planning, PNC, and CWC. In ANC, we deal with mothers coming for their ANC clinic. First, we have the new mothers starting their clinics. We educate them on birth plan, that's planning themselves for the pregnancy and birth. Then we also educate them about the danger signs during the pregnancy. We educate them also about family planning and care of the baby after delivery. We also check for the danger signs during pregnancy. We also give them education on care of the baby, family planning. We also check for other conditions, like we have mothers who have complications or who have problems or some sort of illnesses. We also check them and treat them. During their clinics, the clinics of the ANC, after showing them around, most of them are comfortable because they come to deliver here using Linda Mama and NHIF and also cash, because it's also affordable. We also have the CWC. After delivery, we also educate these mothers, because immediately after birth, we give them the BCG. That's when the immunization starts. We give them the first dose, the BCG, which is given at birth or in less than 2 weeks. We start the clinics from there. Then they continue with the clinic, and in the CWC clinic, we also give the mothers education about care of the baby, breastfeeding, about family planning. We offer injections, pills, implants, IUCD, and taking in mind that this hospital is situated in slum areas, Kangemi, Kibera, and Kawangware. We educate these mothers about family planning, because most of them are not aware about the family planning, and so they can get pregnant short time after delivery. We also have the postnatal clinic. We educate mothers about exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months. Then we also educate them about the nutrition of the babies. In case where the mother is HIV positive, we also give education. We counsel the mothers about the prevention of mother-to-child transmission. We also give prophylaxis to the baby and educate mothers to take their drugs well, so that the baby is not transmitted. We also offer cervical cancer screening in this MCH. We educate the mothers on cervical screening when they come for the family planning, and also when they come for the ANC clinic. We also offer the postnatal care. We have those who have been done as CS. We check the scar. We check for the nutrition, breastfeed, how the mother is breastfeeding the baby. We also check the umbilical cord, and we advise. When they come with the NHIF, we advise them to check the NHIF if the payments have been made up to date. We also check them for Linda Mama, if the Linda Mama is active. Our services are also affordable. We advise them, if they don't have the Linda Mama and the NHIF, they can also pay cash. Some of the challenges we have are like in family planning. Some mothers, the family planning bounces, and they come to the hospital from time to time to have babies, because they cannot use family planning. Then we also have the myths and misconceptions. Some mothers, they cannot do something like ultrasound, because they assume that the scan is not good for health of the babies. We also have others who don't come to deliver in hospitals because they believe in delivering from the midwives. So we advise them to come and have safe deliveries at hospital.